Hey everyone, John Corra here, Marketing Director for McClinton Mitsubishi. And what you're looking at right now is a brand new 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander ES. And this trim level, which as you may know is the base level, has received some changes for 2023. And I'm going to discuss those with you today. So let's get started. Okay, so this is our first 2023 ES. I do apologize, it's black diamond and the sun setting, so it's not really the best time to film, but my schedule's been wild today. But let's take a look here. So one of the first things you're going to notice is the 18-inch rims, which those were available last year on the Outlander as well. However, last year you could get these 20-inch rims on an ES as well. They had like an ES upgrade package for $1,000, and you could get the 20-inch rims on the ES. However, that's gone for 2023. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion here, and you can trust me because I actually own a Mitsubishi and I'm not a salesman. So I like these rims and tires better than those 20s over here. Yes, the 20s are more stylish, but my preference are these 18s with the thicker sidewall. Plus, as someone who's owned two Mitsubishis with Nexen tires, I can tell you that the Toyo is a better product. So, once again, my personal opinion based on owning a vehicle and then a second vehicle from Mitsubishi, Toyo tires, in my opinion, are better than the Nexens that come on this 20-inch package. So yes, that is the first thing you're going to notice is the 18-inch rims. Now, ES base model, oh no, you're not going to get all the features. Well, that's not exactly true. You're still going to get a lot of great features on this entry-level package. Now, granted, like you don't have the fog lights per se on this one. Like you'll see over here on this package, you do get the fog lights. So no fog lights on the ES, but you still get like the washer there for the headlights. If you come back here into the interior, oh, and all the safety features as far as like forward collision mitigation, that's still included. That's actually included on every Mitsubishi. But if you come in here, a few other small features you won't get. Like, for instance, the screen's a little bit smaller. Oh, well. You don't get Mitsubishi Connect, which for me might be a bit of a deal breaker. On the ES, you do not get the heated seats, but you still get the heated windshield, which is an awesome feature for the wintertime. Also, you still get all of the drive modes on this four-wheel drive system. So, like the snow mode and normal, eco, the downhill assist. You still get the auto hold and the electronic power brake. You do not get Mitsubishi My Pilot, so this only comes with the standard cruise control. So the hands-free option, or not really hands-free, but the steering assist, if you will, is not available on the ES. But you still get like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, that's still included. You still get seating for 7, which is awesome at this price point. And we'll talk about the price here in just a minute. Now, recently a friend of mine was in this one, so it's been configured differently. But what's nice is because she was testing out the third row, you can tell that even on this ES package, the middle row there is adjustable. So this has a 40-20-40 split middle row seat. And even though this is the base package, you still get the rear vents. You still get cool little cubbies here on the back of the seat. Now, you do not get the, you do not get the sunshades there on the back windows, but you know, oh well. And of course, we come to the back, you can see no power hatch on the ES, but there's your third row seat. You'll have that folded, lots of room. And I just learned something interesting. Even though this is based on the Nissan Rogue, this is actually 2 inches longer. And it's got a 4-cylinder engine as opposed to a 3-cylinder that comes in the Rogue. So lots of space, and I do apologize. I haven't had time to really mess with this and put the seats back down. But 3 rows, you're still getting the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. And you might be asking, well, what does something like this cost? Well, right there you can see the sticker on this one. And it does have an upgrade like on the paint. Ooh, I apologize, I need to Get that in focus here. Total MSRP on this vehicle is $32,035. So for an all-wheel drive, oops, hold on, there we go. An all-wheel drive crossover with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty from the factory, a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from the factory, and a 10-year, 1,000,000-mile warranty from us for the powertrain. It's really a great value. In fact, it's one of the most affordable 3-row crossovers in the United States available today. So, I personally think these changes to the Outlander are great. Some people liked getting those upgraded rims on the ES, but for me, if I'm going to pay the extra money for an SE or an SEL, I want to stand apart from the crowd. That's just my personal opinion. And honestly, like, I like to actually take mine off-road, my Outlander Sport. I prefer the bigger sidewalls. You're gonna have a more comfortable ride in the long run. So give us a call, check this out in person even. We're here on 7th Street in Parkersburg, West Virginia. Our number is 304-422-6501. Check us out online, McClintonMitsubishi.com. And hey, I love the comments. We're doing good. We're approaching 1,000 subscribers right now, so we love answering those questions. We've been a Mitsubishi dealer since 1989, the year Taylor Swift was born. So yeah, holler at us. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Or if you want to see any of our other products, we actually have quite a bit of Mitsubishis right now. Lots of Outlanders. 2023s are coming in. We got some 2023 Eclipse Crosses over there. Outlander Sports. Mirage G4, a little bit of everything for everyone. All right, hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.